I started doing the free workshop. ठीक है, somewhere people were 2 or 3 people were coming through ads, but I felt that this is definitely not my cup of tea, and I stopped the ads after 3 months. I came across your profile. I came to know that you are the one who is doing this organic marketing. So I was already a part of it, but I was not active at all. I joined back TBM again in June, somewhere around March, April 2024. And I dedicatedly worked on what you actually told. I started following the system, what you were telling me. And yeah, that was my first, client from US. Immediately when I joined Diamond, there was something which you motivated actually to go for high tickets. And that was my first 40,000 sale
40,000.
immediately, and one short payment.
Wow.
One short payment. So TBM has completely shifted my mindset. This was immediately 1 month after I joined TBM. Within a month of joining Diamond
Diamond.
TBM.
Hello, everyone. So, welcome back to another success story interview. And today we have Manika Goel. She's from Hyderabad and she's a mind performance coach. So far, she has earned more than 3.5 lakhs being part of TBM family. So, congratulations, Manika. Congratulations for the crossing the first milestone.
Yeah, thank you, Sagar.
So, Manika, would love to know what you do. Just quickly talk about that, and I want to know that what exactly you do, but why you do it, and what motivated you to start this journey. And then we'll understand that how you has achieved this particular goal and discuss more about your funnels and other things. Yeah.
Sure. So, hi everybody who is watching this video. So I started my journey of mind performance coaching 7 years back, and so it all started. It was not actually my choice, but it just came, into my life, and I started working on that. So basically, when my son was 2 years old, and like every parent who wants to make sure that their child is doing everything correctly, and they want to make sure that the child is learning properly. I was just the same, and when I saw that my child was a little slow in terms of writing, so he was not able to write properly, and I tried my best, sometimes scolding also, just a two, not two, I would say he was 3.5 year old, and I was scolding him, and just thinking that maybe he is not deliberately wanting to write and deliberately wanting to study something. So those things were happening, but somewhere, because I was earlier into banking. I was not into coaching. I was into banking for around 8 years. I have served the banking industry, but I was into training there as well. However, I took a break when my son was born and things were not working out, going outside. And so yeah, coming to that point where my son was not writing, and somewhere I was also looking for some options. I do not want to work outside. 9 to 5 job was something which I decided that I will definitely not going for that. So I was looking something that I can do it from my comfort of my home. I can be with my child and do everything. There I came across somebody suggested me a test, which is called DMIT. So that actually, it's a fingerprint test which tells a lot about the strength, about the potential. And I was like very skeptical of doing that, because I thought, that's how can a test just tell so much about a person. But yeah, so, one of my friend suggested that you should go for it and just try to find out what is it that in store for you. I went for it, and I was amazed to see the result. It actually was a mirror for me, because it gave me a lot about my own personality, why I'm behaving in a certain manner, or my strength, the way I am. And I started connecting all the dots from my childhood. So people used to tell me, you can go for news anchoring, or you speak so well. Somewhere there was no self confidence and low self esteem that I have always been into. So, and then when I did this for my son, because this test is, everybody who is like, anyone who is like 2 years and above, then get this test done. When I did his test, I was literally shocked, because that showed that his fine motor skills were weak. So fine motor skills is like when you use your small finger movement or any kind of such. And I understood that instead of me scolding my child and nagging him and being after him to write, I've understood that he is a little weak on that side, and I need to work on those areas. That's how the things started changing, and I went deep into researching about DMIT, getting it done, getting a certification for that. I got a certified as a certified counselor, and then I started working with other parents also, started working with the other students also, understanding their profile, understanding their strength, making parents aware about this test so that they also start to understand and build a better relationship with the child. So that's how things started changing, and I just moved into this coaching industry. And then yeah, moving ahead, there were a lot of learning, there were a lot of research, and I started doing and exploring a lot of other courses as well. I did NLP practitioner certification, I did my memory coaching certification as well. So that's how my journey just started off. So this was all, happened before COVID, and there was no system. Like things were going offline at that time. I was happy doing my counselings offline. Everything was happening offline. But then after COVID, things changed for everybody. People started moving to online. There were very few people who wanted to come down at home and or office and then get this things done or take sessions offline. And there we moved to online things, but then there was no structure because we were very new to this industry, but there was no structure, there was no idea about how to go about it. And then the first course I did, I think, was Siddharth Rajshekar's. I took his silver membership. I did that for around 6 months, but again I got lost there because I felt so overwhelmed. It was such a such huge information for me at that point of time. I was getting completely lost because there were so many tools he was suggesting that you go for this, you do this, you do this, and I was confused that things are not. Then he maybe at that point of time I started ads just out of nowhere. I thought, okay, let me just put my money on ads, and I was in a very beginning stage. Even ads. I started doing the free workshop. ठीक है, somewhere people were 2 or 3 people were coming through ads, but I felt that this is definitely not my cup of tea, and I stopped the ads after 3 months. Spent a lot of money. It was a failure for me, but yeah, I have to keep on working. And there, I think through Siddharth, the course only, I came across your profile. I came to know that you are the one who is doing this organic marketing. But again, putting keep doing an investment again to another for another coach and going for organically. I was not sure whether things will work out for me or not. But yeah, I have to be somewhere. So that's how I just joined TBM. I think in 2023. I am not sure. So I'll tell you what actually happened. I joined TBM in 2023. I did it for 6 months and again quit. I left
Okay.
it in between. I thought कि नहीं organic में तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला, and organic is very very slow. I thought it's not working out for me. I stopped. I again was going here and there, very confused. And then 2024, I again joined this TBM. So I was already a part of it, but I was not active at all. I joined back TBM again in June, somewhere around March, April 2024. And I dedicatedly worked on what you actually told. I started following the system, what you were telling me. And I realized one thing that you always say, it's taking imperfect action. So that was one thing which changed everything for me, because I was always, waiting for the right moment to come, that I first need to prepare this and then only I'll go for the other thing. I have to do this, then I'll go for the other thing. But the fact is that when you said that taking imperfect action, just go, just do whatever you have and whatever things your skills have, just go and put it across on social media. And that's how I started putting, and I realized that I started connecting with people more. People started knowing me just by being organically present on my social media, on Facebook, on Instagram. LinkedIn I didn't use at that time, but yeah, only with these two platforms I actually got a very good response, and I started working on all those things that you were telling at that time.
Super, Monica. Now, I would like to know, Monica, like, what is your like traffic source? Where exactly you have started generating leads organically?
So firstly, I think it was Facebook,
Facebook,
because
yeah. I
that's
remember you
where.
shared so you got some international clients from
Yes, it
somewhere.
was through Facebook. So that was my first client out of nowhere. Somebody just messaged me, and because international, I had never dealt with any of the international client. I thought this is a fake client, somebody who's just approaching, seeing a lady, and then just approaching and sending messages. In fact, I was running a 7 days challenge earlier, and it was just for 499. I did that. I have finished that 7 days challenge, and that person, he paid 500 rupees to me even after that challenge was over, and he just messaged me saying that, hi, I have enrolled for this 7 days challenge. Let me know what's the next process. And I just told him that it's already over. Matlab, I'm not even doing that challenge, and how come you have registered? And that's how the conversation started. And then I had a one-on-one meeting with him, and found him very, very genuine. And then he was really interested and wanting to have a program with me. And yeah, that was my first client from US. So he paid, initially it was just a 1 month program, which is my signature program, 30 days memory challenge. And he enrolled for that. He enrolled, I think it was around 8,000 that he paid, 8 or 10,000, I suppose he paid for that. But then, yeah, once I switched to Diamond, when I switched to Diamond in for your, I think in the Diwali
Last,
offer you gave last year,
yeah.
yeah, last year Diwali offer. So I just joined Diamond. Immediately when I joined Diamond, there was something which you motivated actually to go for high tickets. That
Yeah,
now it's
yeah.
time that we should go for high tickets. I had really had a lot of money, blockage, that कोई क्यों लेगा इतना महंगा? Why will somebody? And a parent,
Hmm.
being a parent
Yeah,
myself, I feel कि नहीं, I am not going to
yeah.
invest in such a expensive product. So, but then yeah, I still took out that courage and pitched that for 40,000, and that was my first 40,000 sale
40,000.
immediately, and
Wow.
one short payment,
Wow.
one short payment. So this was immediately 1 month after I joined TBM. Within a month of joining Diamond
Diamond.
TBM.
Yeah.
Yes.
Super, Monica. What are the customer acquisition model that basically that you have used so far? Whether you use webinar or one-to-one, what are the something that worked for you? Something that would love to know.
For me, it was always webinars.
Webinars.
It
Okay.
was always webinars
Do you bring
initially.
leads from your social media
Yes.
to the
Yeah.
webinars?
So people either
Mm.
organically, like I was doing everything organically at that time.
Yeah.
Last year, I did everything organically. I was just generating leads from there, from Facebook, from Instagram. I was because you always motivated us to do 7 days challenge or five
Mm.
days challenge, all
Mm.
those 100 days cash flow sprint. I remember that was a huge hit for me. I got
Mm.
very good response when I was consistently posting for 100 days, and
Mm.
so that was a hit. I got many leads from there, and people. I did a workshop for all the leads. I got
Yeah.
around 7 to 8 people got converted. I That was my first batch.
Nice.
Like after this year, it was very nice. Yes, the 100 days actually changed everything.
Super, Monica. Uh,
But
when
yeah,
it comes to
I'll tell
yeah,
you one more thing. Even the webinars was a hit, but I think, like you always say, that if you have to reach to a higher level, it is always the higher tickets, that you have to go
yeah.
for a little on a
There's a
higher
two
side.
level of so basically scaling happens. One is
Hmm.
either you scale get mass people in the front end to make
Yes.
more money, or you scale at the product, the existing people who have, and sell them more price, more.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So the first level was like, I feel that there is a little on a slow process. Like people, if in workshop I'm getting around 20 or 25, not more than that leads. So, the
Yeah.
conversion ratio is also on that. If 25 people are joining, then hardly two or three maximum, will
10%
go for it.
conversion.
Yeah. But then, yeah,
Yeah.
I was nurturing the people who were there in my L1, who did the 30 days program. From there, I converted around six people to my goal. That was 3 months, and then I was doing my 6 months also.
6 month program. Yeah.
Yeah,
And so sales was you were giving the pitch directly over there, and or
I
you
was
were
doing one-on-one. I was
one on you
giving,
were
yeah,
taking them on a one-to-one.
yes, one-on-one.
Okay.
I was not doing
Okay.
any diamond showcase kind of a thing, but yeah, it was more of connecting it because I want to connect
Connect
with
with
them
them on a clarity
personally.
call, and
Yes,
then you
yes,
give
and
them.
yes. Then I was giving my offer, and there the sales was happening.
Okay, okay. And webinar, the people who are you are selling your gold, which is directly offer that you are giving that pitch.
Yeah, this is like on in webinar, I'm just pitching my L1, which
L1,
is,
yes.
yeah,
Okay.
L1. Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
30 days
Uh,
challenge.
Manika, there are a lot of people here. They're watching. They right now maybe confused. They're stuck somewhere. They have been doing quite long time. Any messages, any tips for them, how they can actually um, get out from that stuckness and just do something
I
because
know for
how it
everybody
feels.
who is watching this, I know I have been there. And the very one first thing which I would say is working on your mindset. So
Yeah.
TBM has completely shifted my mindset. It has removed my blockages that I was having, and
Mm.
I've started to say no now. So
Mm.
initially it
Yeah.
was always about कि नहीं कोई आया है तो ये इसको करना ही करना है, and I was a person who was like एक पूरा दिन निकल जाता था just thinking कि that person has not enrolled in my program.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
that mindset shifted by understanding that it is not always about that my program or my pitch or my selling is a problem. Maybe that person is not aligned with what I am doing or what I'm offering. So
Mm.
that's one thing that completely shifted for me. And now even if there are few people there and I'm pitching and if I'm not getting the result, I'm not feeling bad. First of all, I know that I have done my best. Maybe it's not even is it that it's not the right time, or maybe that person is not aligning with what I am offering, or
Mm.
he's not the right fit for my program. So
Right.
that's one thing. So, and also secondly, like it's the motto of TBM is the taking imperfect action.
Taking imperfect action.
Yes, so just do it. Do not think so. Even in the regular calls that we have, the morning calls and the inner circle calls, I see people still thinking about कि करे या नहीं करे, or maybe if I'll do first this thing and then I'll take the other action. What I have realized here is that you have to just go for it without
Yeah.
even thinking that uh, without thinking of the result, basically just enjoying the process. And that's one thing which I have started telling each and every of my student in my community also, that instead of seeing the result, instead of thinking ki whether you will be scoring high marks or not, just think about what progress you are making, giving it your best shot, and making things happen. So that's the message which I want to
Superb.
say. Yeah.
Superb, Monica. So, Monica, like there are a lot of people here also, like they got the results, like, but they can like you must have seen like you must have gone through that thing. Can you share like the something that maybe like some people think even after getting success, they are feeling stuck. Okay. Have you ever also felt okay, you got the sales, sometimes you also went down? Because I wanted to share the
Lot of times.
honest thing
Yes.
that because sometimes people think okay, oh that person got successful, or it means हर बार वो success चल रहा होगा. But even I have seen this a lot of times, even after crossing even 1 crore mark. So I want to show the realities of this because people should not like get just कि okay सब अच्छा ही दिखाई दे रहा but Baki, the other side, nobody's talking about.
Yes, yes, yes. So I'll tell you, the social media is actually a disaster.
Mhm.
Even though our business runs on social media, but the fact is that the grass is always greener on the other side. We always think the other, and especially sometimes it has happened with me a lot. Like even if I'm making the sale, and I'm seeing somebody else making even more
Even
than
more
what I
so.
have, yeah.
Yeah.
So there's always a kind of a comparison, or
Comparison. Yeah.
yes, that कि मेरा को तो इतना ही मिला है, how come he is earning or he or she is earning that much.
Yeah.
But like I believe in reflecting on my journey, so from where I started to where I am today. Right, so that's what matters the most, instead of thinking about ki, what other person is getting or not. You see, even if you are getting a chota sa bhi ek win milta hai, you have to celebrate that win. Right, that's why
Yeah.
like when we were doing those Wednesday wins, those are beautiful things, because एक छोटा सा भी achievement, if you share it with others, you feel good about yourself. You
Yeah.
feel, and then you start to inspire people also who are thinking that things are not working out for them. So I
Yeah.
feel, do not compare with what
Compare.
other
Yeah.
people are doing or achieving. Work on yourself, work on your mindset. That's the key, because uske bina kuch nahi ho sakta.
Sure. Sure. Definitely. Superb. I think that's something that very important people should know that what is happens on the other side. But the thing is, be in the game, surrender to your system is the most important aspect of it.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I would just want to tell each and everybody who's watching this video that trust is the biggest factor, and instead of going with hundreds of coaches, follow one system. Like if you are in Sagar's community, just follow the system, follow the step by step. So I follow everything that Sagar is telling. I keep on, even if I'm not attending the live sessions, I go back and watch the recordings, because those recordings are also the gold. So
Hmm.
you go back, you watch, you just search for the topic and you will get the answer. There are,
Hmm.
so that's the beauty of being in a community, first of all. And here it's not just about, Sagar is telling something or Rahat is telling something, but it is about everybody is ready to, help each other. So
Yeah.
everybody has their own experiences and they're sharing their experiences. That definitely works a lot. And for me, I think, the lead magnet part that you keep suggesting, how to create lead magnets, that has also
Yeah.
worked very well for me. 100 days challenge, this has worked for me. And yeah, taking those imperfect action is
Yeah.
what, it actually worked for me a lot. Yeah.
Super excited to see you like crossing that 1 crore mark. Definitely, this
Yes, I'm
2026.
manifesting that.
That's my challenge for you. Now it's time to speed up the game. We have
Yes,
now it's like putting that next year into the business. And
absolutely.
yes, those who are watching, if you wanted to explore what Monica is doing, go and check out her social media, the website, what I'll be sharing in the chat box. And those who want to be not part of our community yet, you want to explore how we can help you to grow your business. So just check out, attend the webinar, just be part of the community. So thank you so much, Monica. Any last thought that you want to share? Last message for the people?
I think I've shared everything that is just, it just came out from my heart. I didn't
Yeah,
think about anything, but yeah, just take action is what I
yeah.
would
Take
say.
action.
Uh, don't think much, because like like this is one message which I tell my students is think big, right? Act fast. That's something. Think big. Take small actions, but act immediately. Act immediate,
Immediately. Yeah.
fast. Yeah. So that's something which you have to do.
I realized I was listening to one of the success story and where he says the distance between the idea and implementation is the really deciding factor how you will grow. A lot of people
Absolutely.
they hear about the idea, then implement after 3 months, 4 months. That is not going to
वो थ्री
happen.
फोर मंथ्स में ही इतने सारे थॉट्स आ जाएंगे
So
दैट यू विल नेवर बी एबल टू
you
टेक
will doubt
एक्शन.
about that idea itself. Your
यस,
energy
यू
of that.
स्टार्ट.
So I say he says ki sometimes my implementation is less than a minute of getting that idea. Get that
यस.
idea, immediately transfer to the team or immediately put some action into it. That's something that
Yes.
is most important factor of it. Super, Monica, super proud of you, and let's hit the 1 crore mark and the first and in the 2026 itself. Yeah, all right. So
Yeah.
everyone,
Thank
just
you so
share
much, Sagar.
what's the learning since from this conversation in the comment box and in the chat box, and we'll definitely um, we'll celebrate more success stories of Monica in future. Yeah.